Okay, good afternoon, class. So, I'm going to discuss the answers in activity number 11 under the lesson logarithmic functions. So, before that, what is a logarithmic function? Okay, so logarithmic function is in the form of y equals the logarithm of x to the base b. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Actually, logarithmic function is the inverse of the exponential function y is equal to b raised to x. So, gaya nung binanggit ko last time sa discussion natin sa exponential function, ang variable x natin ay nasa exponent. Kaya siya tinawag na exponential function. But this time, yung logarithmic function, inverse siya. Ibig sabihin kabaliktaran. So, yung nasa exponent natin ay yung y natin or yung f of x. Thus, ibig sabihin nito, y equals logarithm of x to the base b is the same with the exponential form x is equal to b raised to y. Okay. So, dapat nyo itong tandaan, okay, itong form na to, because ito yung gagamitin natin in evaluating logarithms. Again, y equals logarithm of x to the base b is equal to x is equal to b raised to y. Yung y natin ang ating exponent. Alright. So, let's have number 1. Okay. So, evaluating logarithms, you only need to remember 2 steps. So, yung step number 1 natin is to express logarithmic equation into exponential form. So, kailangan natin siyang baguhin or i-change into its exponential form, x is equal to b raised to y. And then after that, we will proceed to evaluating, okay, solving the exponential equation. So let's have this example. So we have here y equals the logarithm of 10 to the base 100. So step 1, kailangan natin siyang i-convert, i-express into exponential form. Kaya siya ay 100 raised to y is equal to 10. Again, class, yung y natin dito, ito yung exponent natin. And then yung b, siya yung base. Kaya yung base natin is 100 raised to the power of y is equal to 10. Okay. So, this equation tells us that x is equal to b raised to 1 is the exponent to which b must be raised to produce x. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is the value of y. Ano yung exponent na pag ni-raise natin si 100, ang answer ay 10. Okay? So, we'll proceed with solving the exponential equation. So, after natin makuha yung exponential form, which is 100 raised to y is equal to 10, isa-solve na natin siya. Okay. So, natandaan nyo pa ba kung paano mag-solve ng exponential equation? So, yes, we have to change the base. So, kailangan parehas yung base natin. Kaya yung 100, okay, convert natin siya, in-express natin siya into 10 raised to 2, okay, or 10 squared, para parehas yung base natin. So, 10 squared raised to the power of y is equal to 10. So, since same na yung base natin, okay, solve natin yung exponents. So, 2y is equal to 1. Okay, bakit 1? Kasi 10 raised to 1 yung 10 dyan. Okay, meron tayo imaginary number na power which is 1. So, 2y is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 1 half. So, y is equal to 1 half. So, kung isi-check niyan, class, so 100 raised to the power of 1 half, or parehas siya sa square root of 100, the answer will become 10. Okay? So, tama yung ating answer. Let's have the second example. Okay. For the second example, we have y equals the logarithm of 3 to the base 27. So, ano yung power ni ano yung power na kapag ni-raise si 27 ay magiging equal siya sa 3? Okay. Step 1, we have to express it into exponential form. So, we got 27 raised to the power of y is equal to 3. Alright? And then, okay, proceed with evaluating or solving the exponential equation. So again, kailangan same yung base natin. Kaya yung 27, ginawa natin siyang 3 cube. Okay? Kasi 3 cube is equal to 27. So since same na yung base natin, we'll proceed with solving or evaluating the exponents. So we have 3y is equal to 1. Okay? So y is equal to 1/3. So, pag sinek natin yan, 27 raised to 1/3, raised to the power of 1/3 is equal to 3. Alright. Okay, how about if ang nawawala naman, or we're looking for the value of x. Okay, the value of x. Again, we have to express it into exponential form. Ganun, pares pa rin yung steps natin. Negative 2 equals the logarithm of x to the base 7 is the same with 7 raised to negative 2 is equal to x. Okay, yan. Na-express na natin siya into exponential form. Actually, ito yung pinakamadali, no? Yung finding the value of x. Kasi we'll just proceed with finding the value of x. So, since we have 7 raised to negative 2, so since negative yung ating exponent, gagawin natin siyang positive. So, get the reciprocal of 7. So, we'll get 1 over 7. So, 1 over 7 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 1 over 49. So, x is equal to 1 over 49. So, we have here y equals the logarithm of x to the base 9. So, pag ni-raise down natin yung 9 sa 1, ano yung magiging answer natin or yung value na x? So, again, step 1, we express it into exponential form. So, 9 raised to 1 is equal to x. And then solve for the value of x. X is equal to 9. Diba? Madali lang siya. Okay, madali lang pag ang hinahanap natin ay yung value ng x. Okay, another example for x is, okay, 3 equals the logarithm of x to the base 1 over 6. So, okay, wag mataranta kung may makita kayong fraction. Sundan lang yung ating steps. So, we express it into exponential form. So, 1 over 6 raised to the power of 3 is equal to x. And then solve for the value of x. So, 1 cube over 6 cube. Okay, x is equal to 1 over 216. Okay, so when you raise 1 over 6 to the power of 3, the answer is 1 over 216. Okay, another example for x. So we have 2 equals the logarithm of x raised to the power, to the base square root of 3. Again, 2 equals the logarithm of x to the base square root of 3. So express it into exponential form. So we have, okay, square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to x. And then, for sure, alam niyo naman na yung square root is equal to 1/2. So, in-express lang natin siya into 1/2 para makita nyo na maka-cancel siya. Okay, maka-cancel siya. Kaya, x is equal to 3. Alright. So, what if ang nawawala or yung hinahanap natin is the value of b? So, here's an example. So, ang kailangan kasi natin dito, class, since ang hinahanap natin ay yung value ni B, kailangan natin na ma-single out si B. Walang naka-attach na value sa kanya, like 2, 3, 4, or walang naka-attach na power. So, kailangan raised to 1 lang siya. As is, kailangan B lang siya. So, okay, again, kailangan natin ma-single out si B. As is, walang naka-attach na value or power. Kaya kailangan natin ma-cancel yung kanyang exponent. So, yun yung lagi nyo iisipin when you're looking for the value of B. Negative 3 over 2 equals the logarithm of 1/8 to the base B. So, anong value ay pag ni-raise natin sa negative 3 over 2, ang makukuha nating sagot ay 1 over 8. Okay. So, step 1, express in exponential form. So, B raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 is equal to 1/8. Okay. Anong next step natin? Again, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kailangan nating makancel ng exponent ni B. So, ano kayang value yung kailangan nating i-multiply both sides of the equation para makancel yung power na negative 3 over 2 ni B? Okay. Yes. So, ang gagamitin natin ay negative 2/3. Alright, para makancel siya.
So, we'll multiply both sides with the power of negative 2/3. So, makakancel yung exponent ni B. So, we'll be left with B is equal to 8 raised to 2/3. Okay. And then B is equal to 4. So, paano siya naging 2/3? Kasi 8 has a negative exponent. So, negative 1. And then, we multiply that to negative 2/3. So, we got positive 2/3. Alright. Now, let's have another example. So, we have here 4 equals the logarithm of 16 over 81 to the base B. Alright. So, again, step 1, we have to express it into its exponential form. So, B raised to 4 is equal to 16 over 81. So, anong value or anong power ang dapat na i-multiply both sides to cancel out 4? Okay, yes. So, we have to multiply both sides with 1/4. Okay. So, we'll get B is equal to 16 raised to 1/4 over 81 raised to 1/4. So, the final answer will be B is equal to 2/3. So, if you have questions, okay, clarification, you may drop a comment below or chat me or message me here in MS Teams. So, good luck to your exam. Thank you for keeping up with me and have a nice day. Thank you.